everybody. Welcome. We're going to do a quick live tonight because, man, I have been crazy busy. So we're going to do something fun, new. So I'm going to show you a little sneak peek. I did forget to say I'm Sarah Paige-Gruber and I am CreativeSarah. So let's see who's here tonight. Hi, Melissa. Hey, Jessica. Howdy. Hi, Margaret. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. So we're going to show something new because it's about that time. And I'm really excited about this. First of all, we have a new transfer and a new little surface, or whatever you want to call it. And I want to kind of hype up something that I'm going to do this week. I have a bunch of these transfers called Happiness is Homemade. It's got the mason jar and the different long-stemmed flowers, and it says Happiness is Homemade. And if you're watching me, pretty much tells me that you like handmade, homemade things. And so this will be a really awesome thing. I'm going to put together a bundle. It's going to be good for this week, and I'm going to do a live with this, and then I'm going to show you what you can create with the bundle. So I'm going to use a surface that is brand new to me. However, we've had it for a while. And then you can do it on whatever surface you want. So you can kind of like customize your bundle, basically. Anyway, I want you to just be like on the lookout for this. There are a few conditions. We're supposed to get, well, it's been snowing all week. We're supposed to get some horrible weather. So my hope is that we have a snow day tomorrow and I can get some of this work done and get that bundle going and do the live. Anyway, so I'm just previewing that. Hi, Mary Lou. Hi, Kathy, Nicole, Susanna. I know bundles are awesome. They're coming back. I haven't been able to do some bundles in a while. I've been working on other things like our friendly neighbors to the north, Canada. Canada kind of took over my life for a while, but we're getting back on track. And we're gonna do bake it and they will come, which I love the saying. And there's two things. I'll go ahead and switch you down so you can see what we're doing. This is a B size, so it's $14.99. Bake it and they will come, and it's this gorgeous little cake right here. And then this one, I love hugs, I love kisses, but what I really like is help with the dishes. So that, these are awesome kitchen transfers, and I'm gonna do something fun, which you can put in a little cluster in your kitchen, little decor. You could put it on your windowsill, you could put it anywhere you want. We have like this nice bar area you can put it. So this is one of our new products. I want to get the name for this, I think it's the pedestal. Oh yeah, this is the new catalog. Yeah, it is, man. It is called the board and pillar stand. So similar to the board and base, this is a white framed boutique board, about 5 by 7. There are little holes in the back, and then there is a little hole here. And what that is for, I will show you. Comes with a little dowel, like a little, whatever it's called. And you place that in here to hold your board in place. You see how that works? And it's interchangeable. So maybe we want, and especially today, we're gonna want it like this. the tall portrait way so that this fits on and stands up like that. But you may want to do it the landscape way, so you can change it out. That's why the holes are in the two different places. So for today, we're gonna be doing it up the tall, up and down way. Okay, and I really love this one, but we're gonna do bake it, and they will come just inside here, super quick and easy. And this is how, seriously, Kathy, I know, this is awesome. Does the Snow Day app, Nicole, says 99% chance? I truly, you know, I've been doing this a long time, and I think it's kind of like a 99% chance too. The only thing, although I haven't looked at radar lately, the one thing that could mess it up is just if that storm took a different route. And I honestly, it's pretty big, so I don't really think it will miss us. I really don't. So let's do some pretty colors. We have, this is white, so I'm gonna do a little white. And how about some Cool Breeze? You know I love me some Cool Breeze. And how about some Cherry Blossom? These three colors will be pretty on this little cake. It just reminds me of just a beautiful little birthday cake, two-tiered wedding cake, any of the above, like anything like that. Susanna Rickman, you can order this awesome board and pedestal on Monday, not tomorrow, a week from tomorrow, February 4th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. There you go. So I got my pretty colors all set out here, and we are going to stir. Ooh, I want to show you something else. But I gotta get this stirred up. Okay. My white is good. I got my package, and I'm gonna be kind of debuting a few things each day this week. I've gotten my package of new product, and I'd love to share it all with you. Bake. I'm pretty sure you're mistaking me with someone who actually does bake, Susie. Hi, Teresa. Jessica, yes, Snow Day. Okay, so I was just checking on comments. Oh, here comes my messages. Goodness gracious. Okay, turn that off. So I want to show you. You guys are gonna love this. I mean, we did a standing ovation for this exact thing at Leadership when they announced it. It is the mini squeegee. Now, just so that you can tell the difference, this is the regular small squeegee. This is the mini squeegee, and it is perfect. We no longer need to cut our squeegees. This is the cutest little thing, and between these and my sister took all of my multi-tools. Between the multi-tool with the little baby squeegee on the end, and then our other tools, we have got this going on. And don't forget our little stir sticks. I only have one right now, but I will have more. Okay, so our little baby squeegees, oh my goodness. Are they not the cutest thing ever? So you can really, like, you know, and they're thick, they're really nice. So let's look at the colors here. I want my base to be white. I know that for sure. Oh, so cute, Veronica. I know, I know. Hi, Jennifer. So let's do the words and the base white. We'll do the words first, and I'm gonna leave this on a little bit thicker because, here's why, I don't want it to dry out while I'm doing the other stuff, because it's gonna take me a second to get all this done. So, you know, we're gonna do some of the other, the cake will actually be some colors. I'm gonna do 2 layers, one with the white, or not white, one with the pink and one with the Cool Breeze. My goodness. Okay, now, so I'm gonna use some of my old little Squeegees here. Let's do pink for this layer. It's just so adorable. Daddy's not down here. Easty Beastie, you wanna come say hi? No, I don't. He's not really into all that recognition. Even when people were like congratulating him today, he would be like, stop. Like, what are you doing? Why are you talking to me? He would prefer just to talk on his own terms, if you know what I mean. And now let's do some fun top colors with the Cool Breeze. Remember, this Cool Breeze, after Thursday, you will never be able to get this color again. So make sure you have those En Vogue colors. All right, let's see. I probably should smooth this out a little. All right. Easton, oh my gosh, he's such a big winner. He was so awesome. Oh, I cannot even tell you how difficult it is. Ooh, you know what? This white, if I can just get a little bit, because it kind of dried on me. There we go. Oh, sweet. So I'll put this in my water bath. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty, pretty, pretty. Really quick. This was a super quick one. The reason is because I have a team meeting tonight at 9, and it's like, I don't have my watch on, but it's getting there. It's almost that time. Oh, do you know I did not check to see if this was the bottom. I am notorious for doing these upside down. So when I get this in here, you can kind of see to line up those holes and then put this in. So now it's sturdy. Look, I can hold it like that. And it's in, it's not gonna go anywhere. And there you have it. Bake it and they will come. And of course, I did my cake in colors to make it pretty, just subtle colors. Love it. So, oops, I just knocked that out. This is called the board and pedestal. I'm like, what is it? And that's not the board and base. The board and pedestal, and frankly, also, if you wanted just a little bit something different, you could totally do it without the pedestal because it is a beautifully framed board, 5x7 size. You know, so there's a lot of cool things that you can do with this. Awesome. So, very good. Thank you guys so much for coming in and watching my quick little video today. If for any reason you have any questions, just go ahead and put them in the comments and I'll be able to come back in and answer those as we go. If you are loving what you see here and you would like to join my customer group, type in the comments, add me, and I will get you in, I'll give you the link and you can join right into my customer group, my VIP group, and that's where my bundles are going to be this week. If you are interested in learning all about what becoming a designer on my enterprise is like, I will tell you, I have a video in my opportunity group and you can watch me live on Monday nights or catch the replay. Type in join into the comments and I will get that link to you for the opportunity. It's totally a no pressure, easy thing. You just watch a video. If you have questions, you can come to me or you can type them in there and you'll just learn, you know, what are the ins and outs of all this. Okay, so I'm gonna get moving so that I can get set up for my team meeting and I will talk to you later. Thanks guys, bye.